So the bigger and the main problems, fissure and diabetic neuropathy, tiredness, then exhaustion and low energy. And also I used to get like nervousness and things used to really fall off from my hand.
Namaste, I'm Dr. Srinivasu, Indian Navy veteran, Bharat Shri Award winner, and founder of Freedom Health 360. I am helping people naturally reverse lifestyle diseases without medicines, without supplements, without gym workouts, using my only structured, unique flow reset protocol. And today, I am honored to bring a heart-touching success story of a 60-year-old grandmother who was suffering for more than 2 decades. Yes, more than 2 decades, and how she come back to her original health through my natural healing. So today we have with us Mrs. Usha Kommuru, 60-year-old, who struggled with the diabetic neuropathy for 24 long years, lived with dangerously high sugar levels, fasting sugars more than 160, BP more than 250, and severe fissure pain for 15 years, chronic constipation for 20 years, numbness, gas, hyperacidity, vaginal itching, sleep disorder, low immunity, forgetfulness, and obesity. One thing is, she tried everything: Ayurveda, Homeopathy, Allopathy, but nothing gave her any relief until she started natural healing. So we welcome Mrs. Usha ma'am. Can you please briefly introduce yourself?
My name is Usha K and I live here at Hyderabad. I have been a strong believer in nature cure naturopathy, but at the same time, when I joined this 10x Health Genius, I was pretty assured and I was pretty confident that this is the right path and the right decision I'm taking.
Okay, now
So,
please tell me, ma'am, that what were the health problems you were facing just before joining my program? Could you please tell me?
you have already discussed a few of them. The other ones were actually tiredness, then exhaustion, and low energy. And also, I used to get like nervousness and things used to really fall off from my hand. So, the bigger and the main problems you already told about fissure and diabetic neuropathy and numbness. So, numbness was not going, but I'm very, very happy that I recovered from fissure by non-surgical treatment and a very natural treatment, which I was really trying really hard. But hard luck with all the rest of the treatments that I had taken. But I was pretty sure that this is really going to work out. And he's such a person, such a wonderful person that whenever I used to give up, he could make out that there is something wrong and something not going okay and correct. So he's to lift me up. And that is his main characteristics, like motivating me a lot. And that really raised my consistency. And through this consistency, I had 100% result. And accountability was the major task, and that through the major task accountability I could really achieve success. And thank you for the entire team also, and thank you to 10x Health Genius, Dr. Srinivasu. And I wish everyone would really join this, because after I saw his credential and coming from medical billing and coding background, I could make out that I'm really in good hands, and he will really guide me properly. So I'll be recommending highly to all the friends and all the people around, and wishing through Baba and through Shiv Baba and Brahma Baba's blessings that more and more souls will really get emancipated. Thank you, sir.
Wow, fantabulous words, ma'am. So I would like to ask you that, ma'am, before you come to me, what are the things you tried already?
I tried to go to Panchakarma treatment in 2004 and 2009 at Kerala. And though the numbers were low, but the doctor had told for operation for fissure, because I was not at all ready for that. And also, if I go back to USA life, I had been for dentures and for the dentist, and he had told that I have to cut out my saliva, but somehow something ingrained into my mind that I should not cut my saliva at all. And because my mind was inclined to nature cure and naturopathy only, so I did not take that step. But at the same time, and afterwards, I went to Vijayawada also to the ashram for nature cure naturopathy, and I tried another 2 more doctors. I still don't have a diabetologist doctor at all. None of because I had one in USA, but after coming to India, I never consulted one. And also, I had been to consult homeopathy doctor also, but it was not successful. It was just going on and off and fluctuating, and the numbers were not at all steady. So here, they really cured me from the grassroots of the problems, and I really achieved the success of sugar getting under control and no diabetes. I'm free from that. So
And what is your recent blood report showing?
recent fasting plasma is 89. Hmm.
Wow, from
Yesterday,
160 to 89.
yeah, 161 to 89. Yeah.
Wow, fantastic. Super, ma'am. And what was the most painful part of these long term problems you have faced till now? What was the biggest painful part?
Numbness was a painful part, and fissure was a painful part, sir, along.
Okay. So
Fissure.
now you are out of the fissure. How
Yeah.
can you please say a few words about that?
Yeah, actually, I was always concerned and I was very anxious that if my body does not throw away the toxins, I will be in the trap of the disease. So again, this all things will really recur. And I was really very keen and very committed and very principle minded. I used to really follow whatever steps that he recommended and whatever diet I had to follow. I made a chart and make it very compulsory that in the morning I'll tell affirmations also. And also, the pain was really terrible for Fisher, but amazingly good results are there. And I'm really happy. And other people who had a lot of other kinds of problems, please join this course, and you will find a very detail oriented, step to step, and also very good guidance through the doctor. Yeah.
Super, ma'am. Super. Thank you so much. Usha, ma'am, what made you finally trust this natural healing with me, Dr. Srinivasu?
I think it is his attitude actually. That earlier, when I had just joined the first workshop, I wasn't that very confident that I hope I'm making a right decision or not. But when he gave other workshops also, and when I tried doing all the exercises, and and also seeing all the testimonials of the earlier records and earlier work that he has done for so many people, I started having trust and belief in him. And also, whenever I have challenges, I would just report to him. So that was a plus point in this. So immediately he would really answer also. So he's so very committed, see. And it's not like he's not even before his family's priorities also, he's looking at other people's priorities and other health challenges. That was his another plus point also, that he has to really guide me. And I used to think that I'm all by myself and I'm getting like senior citizenship and people are really avoiding me or what. But he was the one actually raised my confidence into my own self and brought it back to reality, that what I have to really achieve. So that was the thing.
Wow. Super.
Thank
Love, like actually in the discipline what I used in my Navy, so the same discipline I gave you, so you were also into
you.
that. I'm really loving that, ma'am.
Yes, yes, yes. Discipline was the same thing. And he always said, energy, energy, energy. Whenever a doubt comes, just say energy, 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 and everything will sink in your mind. And it works
Correct.
like magic and wonders, because you get back to your your recorded trust and confidence, and you get back to all your actions.
Super, ma'am. So, on that context, what was the improvements did you start noticing first at the start? What are the good improvements in the starting phase?
So I felt very very good, and my nervous system really responded. And also, just 3 days back, actually, if I observe and go back to my observation, when I was walking in the apartment, I used to tell and complain to my husband that maybe we have done a wrong decision to come to this slippery floor. It was not the floor; it was actually inside my body. Things had to change. So the day before yesterday only, I noticed that same comment that I had made to my husband. I said, now I can really stand so very strongly. So you see, the calcium was going inside. It was getting absorbed by my body. So that really made me believe in him in his treatment also. And passing
Very good.
urine. So urine is also not smelling. Actually, earlier, 10 years back, actually, I had UTI, but that's not there now. So, and
Wow.
so the anxiety is gone. The anxiety about my health has really disappeared.
Now you reversed everything without medicines, without supplements. I didn't even give any medicine or gym. Also, I told to go to gym. No, never. So, how did you feel about that?
I never actually appreciated gym in my life. In USA, I had membership, but I was not at all regular. When there was no supplements, I was a little bit hesitant because I got so very addicted to supplement and addicted to churans. So that also I never touched. And I just used to remember all your words only, and none of the churans are there in our shelf. We have already thrown out and disposed of all the junk, and that's what exactly was actually the biggest problem. And
Yeah.
mm,
So why I was asking question is many people are thinking that medicine, supplements, gym only the way to like improve the health. Even though they are not, they are using these type of things, medicine, supplements, and gym. Their health is worsening. So that is what I am asking the question. So what about the
right,
view?
even I was actually trapped into that.
Hmm.
I'll be very honest and upfront and accept that. But the thing is, exactly, we don't know the other options and the other choices that are really available. So I would
Hmm.
really say that you should really proactively join CERT and figure out and find out that there are alternatives available. And there is a person like, I felt like he's God sent on this earth to really improve so many people, and yes, and also
Appreciate.
like get awareness into this program. Nature Care Naturopathy doctor themselves also they also recommend, unfortunately, the supplements more. So I thought that, and I believe that such an good credentials and highly achievable persons, they are with me, so I will be all right. But the thing is, we get so much used to it that our body does not respond afterwards. So instead of that, we actually get into the pitfalls of expenses more and more. So instead of that, if we try out the natural food stuff, of course, each and every person's constitution is different. For that, exactly, we need one-on-one consultation. So this is a sign that you should not get like the anatomy and physiology will change definitely internally when you really stop the drugs. So.
So did I keep you hungry anytime?
Uh, no, once or twice, but it happened like that. The sugar is to trigger off, and I used to get cravings. But I know, like, I have to really get disciplined. So, you know, and I have to really get out of this. I was pretty determined. So I said, no, I have to really listen to Sir 100%. And I wasn't really kept hungry. No. In the
Correct.
evening, actually, my lunch was pretty full. And evening, of course, I used to control myself and develop a lot of self control. See, sometimes we really get into emotional eating also. It's not that sir is making you hungry or he are keeping you hungry, but it is just like when you are happy, when you are sad, when you are emotional, we try to eat more and all. So that I used to really double check myself only. And keeping a record, keeping a book really maintains you very well.
Yeah,
Hmm.
correct. So, uh, did you get any side effect with my program?
Absolutely no. That was my family's question was that exactly. That maybe you never know. It'll like if it goes down and it goes like what you call hypoglycemia or hyperglycemia, what would you do? I said no, I'm guided by a very nice very good person, and I have trust in that person, and definitely it will happen nicely and properly. So
That's
hmm.
true. Fantastic. So, no side effect, no side effects. Now, the side benefits. Many people are saying that your
Benefits.
program is giving side
Exactly.
benefits.
Exactly. Yes, yes. You use the right words. The side benefits are greater than anything, right? Because
Correct.
when internally everything changes. One thing is that you feel very secure about yourself, and money matters are really biggest priority for anybody and anyone. That not too many expenses. So all this is like you're expending for your own self and for your own health. So why buy and why sign up for so many insurances? There's no need for that. So that kind of a turnaround has come in my life. So
Fantastic, ma'am. So, can you please tell me what was the role of my hand holding and accountability? You have already spoke. I would like to tell you more about this hand holding and accountability in your health transformation.
One is disciplining myself, and patience. Sir has got a lot of patience, and he's also very committed and very sincere. And coming from army, do and die attitude. So no,
Mhm.
do or die. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Do or die attitude. So that was imbibing into me. So I could really see that. I said, oh, okay, so my strong willpower really started developing. After his conversation or discussions and all. So.
Wow, super. So you were saying that my family members, my son, and all were saying that yeah, we are seeing transformation. Can you please tell a little bit about that?
Yeah, they saw me with high energy. And in the wedding, nobody had no other issues or any major issues and all. My own brother was saying that you really did it very nicely this time. And there's no, like, you never complained about your health and all. It was an excellent trip also, he said. So, like enjoying and smooth mixing around. And I myself was surprised actually. And my niece and my own sons and my niece and all, they also, and my own Bahu, she also complimented that you really look high energy.
Wow. And also you were saying about your community, people were also saying like
Yeah. My own relatives actually, they had a doubt that since I had diabetes type 2, my mother had actually passed away in the third heart attack. So she survived the two, and the third one, she could not stay back. But at the same time, they were all thinking that I'm also into the pitfall of something else. So, but confidently, I can say that I'm alive and I'm
hmm.
healthy and alive. So I don't have any other anxieties about heart problems. Mm.
So they were saying about you are looking very energetic. Earlier it was not like this.
Yes, yes. Earlier it was not at all like that. Earlier I used to give excuses also that, oh, my pain is there. I can't travel so far, something like that. Or I would say that, okay, now that's enough for the day, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, and now I cannot work anymore. And also if I go to my village, I used to take 10 or 15 days to really get back to track, and so much of rest was needed. But this time after the wedding, actually, after we came back, I was still very hectic and very active because we're getting the interior decoration also done here in our apartment. So,
Powerful. So how do you feel now with compared to before the journey you have started before the journey you have started now? What is the comparison between now and before?
the past karmas, we should not bring it back, sir. So, you want to really live in that environment and that psychological, emotional blockages. But of course, it's a lot better, I can say, definitely. So, like, I used to be like very, like, I lost a lot of opportunities in career because I was pretty sidetracked because of diabetes. So that's not there now. I'm pretty confident that I can really move around and go around and still have energy, and life has just started. That's what I feel like that from inside.
So people are thinking,
Age is just a number in mind, guys.
yeah, people are thinking that 68 it is ready to die or ready to stay on the bed. Now you are telling that and giving a clear message that it is now I'm starting again.
Yes, sir, everything is possible. Everything is possible. You should never, never give up in your life. And also, because I met the right persons, I can really stand up on my feet and go around. In fact, just right now, today in the morning, I saw somebody going on a bike. And my husband had asked me about 7 years or 10 years back, shall I buy a bike for you? Shall I buy a scooter for you? And I was hesitating. I said, no, not at this age. But I felt very enthusiastic today saying that, okay, I should really buy a bike now.
Wow. So, what message would you give to others suffering from these type of long term diseases who are eating medicines and suffering?
I would say that, take a decision, guys, and stay on the path, and don't just blindly follow allopathy. Allopathy is at allopathy's place. Maybe when there's an emergency, you may have to really go also, and no biases for that, and no hard decisions that you should never go. But you should not get addicted to your medicines, and you should really have a balanced way. and also reduce all your stress. In fact, now I remember that one of the nature cure doctors said stress is there for me. But the stress, because of stress, the internal structure of your body will change, the physiology will change, and all.
Thank you so much, Usha Garu. Thank you so much for sharing such an inspiring journey with the audience. And you proved that age is not a barrier. And even 20 to 24 years of chronic suffering can be reversed naturally with the right guidance. Your transformation is a powerful message of hope for thousands of people struggling with diabetes or fissure, constipation, neuropathy, and more lifestyle diseases. And I salute your dedication, ma'am. And I'm grateful to be part of your healing journey. To everyone listening, your body has an extraordinary healing power. If you show the right inputs, it will heal for sure. Let Usha Garu's story be your motivation. And my final statement is, if you want to listen, please give one chance to heal your body naturally. Then it will show you the miracle. Until then, we will conclude this session. See you. Take care. Jai Hind.